Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this video we will discuss a very important interview question in the JavaScript. So this is basically related to the promise. Everyone know about the basic promise. Even in this video we also just discuss the basic promise also, but the important thing is that what is the finally method in the promise. We will just make a promise here, resolve it, and we will see what is the work of finally method. Alright, so very quickly, as you know, if you don't know what is the promise, then I'm just going to tell you that promise is basically used to handle the async data. Async means it can be uploading a image or calling an API, and a large amount of data that just takes some time. Alright, so let's take a variable with the name of task and just make a promise here with the new promise keyword, and just use here a callback function, and this callback function will have the two parameters. One is resolve and second one is reject. Alright, and here I am just going to define set timeout so that it can just take 1 or 2 seconds, so that it will just look async data. Right, and it will also take a callback function. So here I am just going to resolve this promise and just going to put here done, like work done. Alright, so and after this I'm just going to show you that reject case also. So but for now just see that task dot then will help you to resolve this promise. Then just take a console here, console dot won, and let's take print the data here. Right, so just take here data and let's put some time here, like 1 second. Now you can see that it will just return work done. Right, so if your promise is rejected, then this case will be give an error in the console. Let's see. Now you can see that there is a red error here. So how we can resolve it? So we can basically resolve it with the second parameter, because in the then we have a second parameter also, like this. Right, here I'm just going to put here error. Let's print a error and just add the error here so that we can just identify where this is coming from, and work not done. Right, so now let's try to run it, and now you can see that error work not done. Alright, so now the finally method is coming here. So it will just use for when you just want to run a code in the both case. Let's say your promise is resolved or reject, you don't care, you just want to run some code in the both case. In that time you can use the finally method. Finally method will run in the both case. Right, so just use here finally method, finally, and it will just also take a callback function, and here you can use a dot like this, and here I can just make console like console dot won, and here you can just put here finally block do whatever you want to do. Right, so let's clear it and now just try to run it. Now you can see that this is running in the reject case as well as in the resolve case. If I'm just going to write here resolve, then it will still work, this condition will still work. Right, so here you can see that this is working in the both case. So finally method basically use when you just want to a code in the both condition. Alright, so in this condition you can do anything. You just want to redirect, you just want to call API, or whatever you just want to do. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and in the upcoming interview questions we will see more interview questions about the promise. So bye bye, take care.